Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Morning Podcast. Now let's see how the market have done on the week gone by. Sensex has gained 0.28%, settling at 76,992. Nifty has gained 0.29%, settling at 23,465. Nifty Mid Cap and Small Cap 100 gained 1.05% and 0.76% respectively. Now let's look at the gainers and losers of Nifty 50. The gainers are Eicher Motors, Adani Ports, M&M, Titan, Shipla, Bajaj Auto, while the losers are Tech Mahindra, TCS, Wipro, IndusInd Bank, Nestle, NTPC. Now let's look at the sector-wise performance. BSE Capital Good was the highest gainer at 1.62%, followed by BSE Consumer Durable at 1.38%, BSE Telecommunication at 1.31%. The highest loser was BSE Information Technology at 0.73% negative. Now let's look at the 52-week high and low. The 52-week high, 236 stocks have scaled 52-week high like ABB, Ashok Leyland, Bikaji, Crompton, IDT Cementation and SGS Enterprise, while 4 stocks are trading at 52-week low. Now let's look at the market breadth data. 2179 stocks have advanced while 1695 stocks have declined. Now let's look at the fund flow data. FII and DI both were net buyers. FII bought to the tune of 2175 crore while DI bought to the 155 crore. The US market ended higher as Nasdaq closed at fresh record high as cooling inflation and economic data provide a boost to the tech heavyweights. All 3 indices have gained 0.5 to 1%. Most of the Asian market are trading higher, hence we expect a green start to our market today. Now let's look at the stock specific news. Bharti Airtel prepaid 7,904 crore to clear the deferred liabilities for spectrum acquired in 2012 to 15. This remained positive for the company. Adani Enterprise promoter increases stake to 73.95 from 71.93. This remained neutral for the company. Jubilant Pharma move. The company US bids arm to prepay a term loan of 626 crore and the company is armed to invest $50 million to expand its radiopharmacy network in US. This remains positive for the company. RBMNL, the company emerged as the lowest bidder for the project worth rupees 160 crore from East Coast Railway. This remained positive for the company. LIC, the company has clarified that there is no proposal to initiate to enter into health insurance market. This remains neutral for the stock. Interglobe Aviation, the company amended its exiting part with Pratt & Whitney affiliate International Aero Engine to give compensation to the company for unavailability of engine. This remained positive for the company. RITES, the company signed a MOU with Damodar Valley Corporation for innovation in railway infrastructure. This remained positive for the company. LG Rubber, the company Brazil unit has executed an agreement for sale of land to Sergio Augusto Pimentel Zerac Brazil for rupees 4.5 crore. This remained neutral for the company. Pidilite Industries, the company Industria Chimica Italy, a joint venture ICA Pidilite, entered into an agreement with ICA for licensing of certain UV technology from ICA. This remained positive for the company. Som Distilleries and Breweries, the company terminated the contract with vendor services of the associate company for allegation of child labor. This remained neutral for the company. 197 Communication is in talk with Zomato to sell its movie ticketing business. The company will focus on core business of payment and financial services going ahead. This remains neutral for the company. Now let's look at the new listing. Late Travances Technology, the company shares will debut on the stock exchange at an issue price of 93 per share. The 740 crore IPO was subscribed 98.34 times on the third and final day. Now let's look at the block deals. Dalmia Bharat Refractories bought 16 lakh shares at 1876 per share and Kesav Power Private sold 16 lakh shares at 1876 per share. 19 Communication BNP Paribas Financial bought 5.85 lakh shares at 428 per share and Marcel West Investment sold 5.85 lakh shares at 428 per share. Shriram Finance BNP Paribas Financial Market bought 14.67 lakh shares at 2684 while Marshall Wace Investment sold 14.67 lakh shares at 2684 per share. Now let's look at the bulk deals. Restaurant Brand Asia Goldman Sachs Fund Equity sold 40.59 lakh shares at 105 per share. NOSIL BNP Paribas Financial Market sold 12.83 lakh shares and Discovery Global Opportunity bought 12.83 lakh shares at 269 per share. Idea Forge Technology Celeste Capital Mauritius sold 2.55 lakh shares at 707 per share. TCNS Clothing TAFDA investors sold 5 lakh shares at 5 52 per share. Now let's look at the insider trades. Westlife Foodworld Anurag Jatiya sold 39,800 shares on June 11 and 12. Hinduja Global Solution promoter Hinduja Group bought 1.28 lakh shares on June 13. Paisalo Digital promoter Equilibrated Venture Flow bought 32.01 lakh shares on June 14. Advanced Enzyme Technology promoter Advanced Vital Enzyme sold 2.34 lakh shares on June 12 and 13. Now let's look at the pledge share details. Good Luck India promoter Rajiv Garg created a pledge of 80,000 shares on June 13. Now let's look at the trading tweaks. Today is the ex-record dividend for HDFC AMC, L&T Finance, Tata Investment Corp and Bank of India. That's it for today. Thank you for listening.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.